Hello and welcome to today's 10-minute meditation. Today's focus is going to be a little bit different. We're going to do what we did a while ago and focus on a color. And today we're going to focus on the color yellow. Why? Because yellow represents clarity, enlightenment, joy. So as we absorb and allow this color to move through us, we're allowing these qualities to move through us. And that'll be our focus. My mic's going in and out, so hopefully this is all coming through. You would think Monday? No, never mind. You guys know me with these computers. So anyhow, if your mind should drift, bring yourself back to the word and the feel and the thought of yellow, and let that be the centering point for this morning. As always, we will begin with the Lord's Prayer and the prayer of protection. Why? Because as always, protection is mandatory in any meditations I do. We'll do a very simple guided section. We'll sit in silence. At the end of the silence, I'll chime the bells so as not to jolt you out, and we close with the 23rd Psalm. Let's begin. I suggest taking a big, exhale as much as possible before taking that initial inhale. And as you inhale, let's just do this, guys. It's one of those days. Take a deep breath and begin to relax. Close your eyes. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Take another deep breath and just invite yourself to relax and let go. Invite yourself to release all blocks. In your mind's eye, look above yourself and notice this beautiful, brilliant yellow color. Let us reach up from within ourselves, raising our hands, moving up slightly out of ourselves, and gather some of this yellow together. And as you pull it back into your head and into your body, notice the whole flow of the yellow is coming with you, not just a piece. This whole flow of clarity, enlightenment, joy, creativity is moving into your head. Feel and absorb all that this beautiful color has to offer us from the divine, moving into your neck, your shoulders, arms and hands, into your trunk, all your organs, your hip, your seat, your legs, your ankles, your feet. You're totally filling up now with this brilliant, bright yellow of clarity, joy, enlightenment. And let us sit in this gift of yellow, in this gift from the above, from the divine, and just be still and absorb. Now, just for a moment, be very grateful for this opportunity and allow this yellow to dissolve as you bring your presence back fully into your body. We close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me besides the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Make sure you're fully alert before jumping in those cars, guys. And have a blessed and wonderful day, and see you tomorrow morning. Bye.